Hey guys, the purpose of this video is to help you learn how to use the SLO TracDat data dashboard to find out which assessments you may still have outstanding. So if you go to the SLO committee page, the URL is here. You can also just Google WLAC SLOs, it'll take you to this page. And you want to click on this link right here, the TracDat data dashboard. And it will open up for you. So this dashboard enables the SLO committee to run a number of different reports, but the way that you can find out which assessments you need to do or double check that your assessments that you have completed are showing as having been completed. Go down here, we're gonna go to page 4. So you're just going to scroll over until we get to page 4. And you'll see these filters up here: division, discipline, course, faculty, completion status. The easiest way for you to find your assessments, both ones that you've completed or ones that you have outstanding, is just to go here. You can scroll down through the names, but the easiest way is to go next to this little magnifying glass, put your cursor there and type in your name, your last name. So I'm going to look at mine. And what you want to see is that your completion status is marked as complete and that you have data analysis and a conclusion. Ideally, you fill out every field in the assessment, but if you don't complete the completion status and the conclusion, your SLO assessments are going to show up as incomplete. So it's really, really important that even if you've done your fall 2018 and your fall 2020 assessments, that you're going back here to double check that your work has been logged. So these are all of the assessments that I have done during our 2 assessment semesters, fall 2018 and fall 2020 for the Language Arts Division. So that's how you do it. The other videos that I will link in my email to you will show you how to go onto TracDat and complete your assessment. Thanks.